Next in this series, Lessons from America's Sweetheart, Rachel Green. Number 1. A guy tells you you're not wife material? Laugh, grab your Prada bag, and walk out like Rachel Green. Rachel walked away from a wedding, a job, and a man who didn't see her worth. Because she knew one thing, you can always start over, but you can't get back wasted time. She didn't beg, she didn't chase, she chose herself, and that's why she got everything she ever wanted on her terms. Take notes. Number 2. Rachel didn't settle for people who made her feel small. She leveled up her environment, and it changed her life. She started as a spoiled daddy's girl, but instead of running back home, she built herself up. New friends, new standards, new mindset. She became the woman she always dreamed of. If your circle isn't inspiring you, it's keeping you stuck. Elevate or get comfortable with mediocrity. And number 3, reinvention is a power move. Rachel Green went from coffee shop girl to fashion executive because she wasn't afraid to start at the bottom. She didn't fake it till she made it. She worked for it. And the best part, she did it in Chanel. Your dream life is one decision away. Stop waiting, start moving. No one's coming to save you, but you can always save yourself. So, which character's lessons would you like next? Comment below and follow me for the next part of this series.